Yeah, Instinct Survival is coming again. This time we're proving something, pretty much. More to myself than anything. So one of the things I've been fascinated by for a long time has been the hand drill. And so after much teaching, I should say, by Kau'i Morehead, Joshua Enyart, and Phillip Liebel, sorry, but I actually, I'm doing it. So that's the way it goes. I want to go ahead and show it to you. I got a little bit left on my hearth board, so hopefully it doesn't burn through before I get a coal. So we'll see. Very small one, but I burn all the way through it. We'll see if this will work or not. So now comes the question, right? What did you use? This is horseweed, and you can see that I burnt through the Spanish. This is Spanish incense. No, it's incense cedar from California. So there's that. I don't know another way to say it. It's incense cedar from California. So thank you, Joshua, for that, and thank you, Kau'i, for helping me figure out the ins and outs of this part. And then Phillip, yours specifically was the technique you took and just did a whole mess of that. So for those of you who are interested, I'll try to put some links down below for you. But working for a primitive fire. So yeah, I'm out of breath and kind of excited all at the same time. It was like, yeah. Anyway, so until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching. Awesome. Next is yucca.